Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Well, we got trades lined up for Thursday, 5/24/07. I would like to show you a brief illustration of a chart before I give you the analysis on it, or before I give you the levels on it. So take a look at this chart, and then I'll come back to you and I'll give you the trades for the day. We have an outside reversal day down in the S&P and the NASDAQ. This is the S&P chart right here. It's an outside reversal down day would be if the market opened up, rallied outside the previous day's high, which we have, dropped lower than the previous day's low, and then settled by the lows or at the lows. And that's exactly what we have for trading on Wednesday. We had a rally outside of yesterday's range, dropped down, got lower than yesterday's range, and then it settled down by the lows, outside reversal day down. So you saw that chart, an outside reversal down day should take effect. I was thinking that possibly we wouldn't even do any trading today because I do have a rule that I live by, and it's no trading before or after a major holiday. And I always stick to that rule. And any of you guys who've been following me, you look back at some of my videos, you know I don't trade the day before and after a holiday. I wasn't really going to do Thursday, but boy, the charts jumped right out at me and said, Oscar, you better give them that Omni. So here it is. Let's jump in and see what we get. We got two red Omnis for tomorrow. S&P and NASDAQ both want to crack, it looks like. Taking advantage of that, the SPM 7 large, ESM 7 mini. Omni's resistance 1526.5 to 1527.5. Place your orders MIT if allowed on your trading platforms. Market if touched. Again, resistance 1526.5, 27.5. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1534.5. So stops are going to have to be above 1534.5 tomorrow. Omni's profit objective is 1516 on the downside. Make a nice trade. Support should be noticed as we come down at around 1519.5, 1520, right in that little zone. I would imagine you'll see some buying support. It likely will crack. We'll deal with it when it gets there, if it gets there. Or be out by the close MOC, because I will not be issuing recommendations for Friday. It is not my style. I will not be trading on Tuesday. That is not my style either. So we're going to have a few days off. The Omni is going to get a chance to rest a little bit. Go Omni. I'll pet the Omni over the weekend. All right. NASDAQ. NQM 7 large, ENM 7 mini. I'm looking for another breakdown. Omni's resistance 1917 to 1919. Again, if your trading platform allows, place those orders MIT, market if touched. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1929.5. Three stops in above 1929.5. Omni's profit objective is 1894.5. Another nice trade if we get the crack we're looking for. With support noticeable likely at 1902.5, 1901.5, right there somewhere, maybe 1900. Right around that even number, you should find some supporters in there. Or, like the S&P, be out MOC. Again, I'll recap that quickly. 1917 to 19 on a push-up. We'll be getting short in the NASDAQ. If it gets above 1929.5, I'll see you later. I'm jumping out of that above 1929.5, not right at the tick. Omni's profit objective is 1894.5 on the downside. Maybe some support around 1902.5. S&P 2627, upside resistance 34.5 or above. I've had enough pain, at least above 34.5. And possibly 1516. Let's see what we get. That would be a great trade. I hope we get it. You see that the Omni's been calling direction right every day this week, but our stops have been a little bit tight, and they've been nailing those stops before taking us down. So we'll make the stops a little wider tomorrow, especially in the thinner market. Markets get much thinner around holidays. A lot of guys have already left for the week, closed out their books, and are taking a nice long weekend, and that creates greater volatility with less volume to stop the market from moving. When that's going to occur, we are going to trade. We're going to place larger stops, so place your stops large tomorrow, otherwise you're going to regret it. If you'd like to call me, give me a call at 718-351-2266. I'm always here manning these phones 24/7. If you don't get me, you get some of these guys back there. Say hello, everybody. Hey. There you go. You'll get them. You'll get me. Somebody will be here to help you guys. Mike, anything else you'd like to add to the video today?
An E in the word before.
An E in the word before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Very good, Mikey. Nice catch. We do know how to spell here, but not all the time. All right, so I think that's about it for tonight. The Omni has been calling direction right. Don't get nervous. Every trader gets tattered every now and then. It doesn't scare me. I'll be out there putting my Rex out there. You put your trades out. We'll see what happens. Good luck, traders. Remember, I tell you this every day to place your stops first. It keeps you calm. It keeps you in a safe zone. And don't forget, stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.